Two more guns seized by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The first weapon was found by the St. Catherine South Police, who seized a 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 13 rounds of ammunition during a joint police-military operation in Nagahead, Portmore, St. Catherine. It is not clear if anyone was arrested. The second seizure occurred when members of the St. Andrew North Police Division seized a Keltec 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 8 rounds of ammunition during an operation in the Glen Drive area of St. Andrew. About 3:20 this morning, no arrest was made. Investigations are ongoing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!